Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Ulme दिव्य सज्जनों अब वक्त है मेंस 74 यानी 74 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। स्तुति पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के अमित धनखड़। Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमल में पुरुषों के इस 74 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के प्रवीण राणा।
There we have Amit Dhankar at the age of 32, a gold medal in the South Asian Games 2016, battling it out in the deciding bout of this day. And Sunil, he will be taking on Parveen Rana, who is a silver medalist at the Commonwealth Championships in 2017, and we expected this to go to the decider, and it has.
It's gone to the wire, and believe me, this competition is not going to be any less as compared to the other three.
What's amazing is so many of these matches have gone to the deciding bout.
Yes.
Isn't it phenomenal? This league is promising and delivering at the highest level.
10 days in succession, and what else do you want? Look at Amit Dhankar, the boy from Chhatrasal, known as Meete. He has all the raw power and fierce determination. In fact, they have a little rivalry going. Both used to practice in Chhatrasal Stadium at the Sushil Kumar Akhada, and then suddenly they fell apart. And now what you see here is going to be a tough deciding bout.
Both of them have the experience of the great Sushil Kumar with them. And this is the deciding bout between Stuti Punjab Royals and Haryana Hammers. Both players looking very aggressive right into the first minute of this bout.
Good action!
They're wrestling it out and looking for the cut wrench.
Action red!
Coming with immense experience. Both the wrestlers weighing in at 74 kilograms in the men's category. Bout number 7, the deciding bout.
Well, Amit Dhankar is very good in counter-attack, and Praveen is more technical. So it's going to be very evenly placed. It's about raw power and very nice, fine techniques and counter-attacks.
As we see a slender lead of 2 points for the Punjab Royals. Amit has opened his account. Parveen Rana looking to break in.
Amit or Meete comes from Humayunpur in Rohtak and is a gritty customer. On the other hand, Praveen, known as Bhinda, yes, Bhinda at home, and comes from a Qutubgarh village in Delhi and trains at Satyavan Akhada in Rohtak. Yes, Satyavan, father of Satyavrat Qadian in Rohtak.
As we head into the final 1 minute, Sunil, they're almost evenly placed here.
Yeah, this is going to be a very fine balance between the two, and the difference is going to be equal. Action.
Round number 1, the final 1 minute here. Crucial deciding bout here. Haryana Hammers are through to the semi-finals.
Yes.
Punjab Royals looking for a place in the semi-finals. This bout will decide
the fate of Punjab as we know right now. But look at this. Last 30 seconds. Praveen trying to go for the attack. Yes, he's successful. Let's see if he's managed. Can he follow through with the attack? Amit Dhankar on the mat, looking helpless.
And in no time, it's 2 each. Parveen Rana is back into the bout. And as it has been throughout this day, everything is running neck to neck.
Yeah, look at Brij Bhushan ji, the president of WFI, looking also tense here. Don't know which way the bout would go.
We expected it to go to the wire, and it has gone to the wire.
Praveen, on the other hand, is all technique and waits for the counter attack cause he's little swift.
Parveen is more technical. And Amit,
Right.
on the other hand, seems to be more into the counter-attacking strategy.
Right. He lets Praveen Rana inside to attack him, and when it's unsuccessful, he will go straight and take that point.
This is the final round of day 13. The winner takes it all here.
Absolutely. Punjab needs this win. Punjab needs this win as bad as anything else today. Next 2 minutes, they have to take that lead and take it there. And only Amit Dhankar is their key hope right now.
The pride of each of the players of these two teams in this final bout here depends on this final bout. As we head into the final 2 minutes of the bout, we're not able to break through from 2 points each. Who will take the initiative? Who will take the lead here?
Rana went in for the right leg, and Amit Dhankar, Mite, was brilliant with his defense and just held him back. This is the story of attack and counter-attack. Let's see.
Both wrestlers grappling each other. No one really attacking here.
Right.
And there we see, looking for the opening, looking for the takedown.
Well, they both understand each other's strategy, and since they've played together during their teenage, and now I think the strategy is pretty open to both. Let's see.
As we are closing in on the final minute of day 13, this deciding bout decides the winner. Haryana Hammers through to the semis. Punjab Royals looking for a place in the semis. And now we're about to have the final minute in the men's 74 kilograms category. Parveen Rana, Amit Dhankar looking to take their respective teams home today. Final 50 seconds, neither wrestler getting an opening. They're tied at 2 each, final 45 seconds.
The game is getting a little rougher here, so is the vociferous crowd out
And there you have the attack. The much needed attack from Amit Dhankar. And the crowd goes berserk. This is probably the final nail in the coffin. This should seal it for the Punjab Royals. Or will Parveen Rana make a comeback here?
I think we shouldn't count Praveen Rana absolutely out. Still 25 seconds to go. It's anybody's game right now. If Praveen Rana makes a comeback with 2 points...
Parveen Rana looking for the attack. Jumping like a leopard. Amit Dhankar giving him no room for an attack. He's up to 4. The final 8 seconds, the crowd has gone absolutely wild here.
Punjab is celebrating, and they have won.
There it is. Stuti Punjab Royals wins the big match, wins it on the big day. And they are through to the semi-finals. The atmosphere here in the Gautam Buddha University Stadium is wild and electrifying as they celebrate for the Stuti Punjab Royals. Amit Dhankar, the hero of the day, taking in all the pressure like a champion.